Welcome back everyone. You might be in a situation where your AirPods are not working, maybe the microphone on your AirPods isn't working either, and it's really not too hard of a fix. Now you should watch this if it's not a hardware issue. Like if you dipped your phones in water and you dropped them and they're broken now, then you might have to get a new pair of AirPods, I'm not gonna lie. But if you've been using your AirPods perfectly fine and randomly it just happens, then you could probably utilize some of these tips to fix them, if you know what I mean. Now the very first thing is to clean out your AirPods. Sometimes a lot of dirt and debris and earwax and stuff, you guys know, it can get stuck in your AirPods, and you might say you have the cleanest ears in the land, but sometimes that's not the case and your AirPods are a little crusty. We all know what we're talking about. So it's good to get like a cotton swab or like something and just kind of clean out your AirPods a little bit. They don't have to be completely clean, but they should be a majority clean. So once you have that, you can also clean out the AirPods case, and you can try talking to the people again, seeing if the microphone works. If it does, then you're set. If it doesn't, then what you want to do is make sure your AirPods are fully charged. If your AirPods only have like 5% battery or something like that, then most of the time there could be some issues arising from this. So you're better off actually making sure your AirPods are fully charged and then checking in and seeing if the microphone works that way. Most of the time this will probably fix it. If it does, then you're set. If it doesn't, then another way to fix this is to put your AirPods back in the case, let them just sit there for a minute, and then take them back out and reconnect them to your phone. So not fully reconnect, but just take them out, put them back in your ear and see what happens. See if you're able to talk to anybody. Most of the time at this point, it should fix it. You should be able to talk to people. You should be able to hear what they're saying. If you're at this point and it's still not fixed, then what you have to do is you have to fully disconnect your AirPods from your iPhone and you have to reconnect them back in. So whether they're on your iPhone or your Android, it doesn't matter. What you're going to have to do is take your AirPods, disconnect them. So go into your iPhone, go into settings, or the same way with your Android device, go into your Bluetooth settings, click on your AirPods and disconnect them. And then what you want to do is reconnect them fully. So take your AirPods, put them next to your iPhone, open them up, make sure they're discoverable, and hold down the back button on the AirPods, and then wait until your iPhone is able to pick it up. At this point, you should be able to see your little AirPods come into the Bluetooth settings. You can click on them and then go from there. And at this point, most of the time, you should be able to get your AirPods fully fixed and the microphone should be working. Now, if your microphone is still not working, I'll be honest, you probably do have a hardware issue that's on your phone. So you will probably have to go and get it fixed before you go and, try to use your microphone again. But most of the time, that's not the case, and you probably have already fixed your AirPods at this point. So that's really pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys to check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.